I put a smile on my face and try to face the day, to overcome the struggle that life isn't fair and we just can't escape. And then we have to realize that there are others in this world who wish they were in our place. So we must sit back and relax and just know that everything will be okay. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, we love this feeling. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, we love this place. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, we love the life that we live. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, we love reggae. So wash away your struggles and wash away your pain, and wash away your troubles and know that everything will be okay. This feeling's universal. No matter what the color of your skin, you can feel like this. So don't judge your brother, concern about each other. Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, whoa, oh, oh, we love this feeling. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, we love this place. Love the life that we live. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, we love reggae. This feeling, oh, I love this feeling. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, we love this place. We love this place, we love this place. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, we love the life that we live. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, we love reggae. We love reggae. Whoa, oh, oh, we love this feeling. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, we love this place. So, whoa, whoa, oh, oh, we love the life that we live. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, we love reggae. This one, from the Father to the Son, to the blessing love, to the blessing love. Woo! Say good morning this morning. I hope your dreams come true by day. And as you rise on your pillow this morning, no more nightmares, it's a new day. Rise up, for the day has gotten brighter since you opened your eyes. Rise up, for the day won't last forever. So let it fill you up inside, and not I say, why yoy, why yoy. So not I say, why yoy, why yoy. Listen as I speak and listen as I say. Love is the answer in this life. So know your roots, sit and be strong. Stand through the storm. Set free the pressure and bring the love into the heart. Send Dada say, why oi, why oi, why oi. Send Dada say, why oi, why oi, why oi. Hey. Bless and love, bless and love. When Dada say, Dada say. Just close your eyes, it's time to sleep. I call to say goodnight and have the sweetest dreams. So Dada say, so rest your head, relax your mind. So every little thing is gonna be alright. So Dada say,
fish. Look at that, boy. 41. 41. Told you. 15. 15. Sharks are going to be easy 60 plus. You're not the run your fish, Charles. Lay it on there. Put him break the skin. I told you.
Almost on the nose. I think 60 on the nose.
60
oh no.
plus. I told you, man.